When you load a model that has very bad UV like this, or all error, red error, and they need optimizing, we can holding shift and click and holding F to each UV to make them, but we have a fast tool for doing that. This is optimize. In optimize, the first and main button is here, run for. It thinks for 1 minute and correct all of the issues of that and flatten all image again, all UVs again. Run for. The map resolution is 2K, 3K. It's not about the map resolution. It's about the quality of the optimizing. Okay, if you increase that, the quality of optimizers make higher. Click on the run for, and as you can see, it's optimizing all UVs one by one and returning and optimizing again. As you can see, optimized objects will be calculated here. You can, in each time, you can hold the space and stop. Okay, waiting to be done, and done. As you can see, it's optimized, resize everything, but some of them are big, some of them are small. And for make this issue, as I said before, and you can use pack. I explained the pack in the previous lesson. Pack all. Thinking and resizing, organizing, ordering in one tile. As you can see, this is a pack. With the UV layout tools, you can organizing UV very fast. Going back to the optimize, here the lock. You can lock the object. If you want to lock any UV, you can press L, the shortcut of lock, to any UV that you want. L again to lock, to unlock. If you lock it, you can move it, but you cannot optimizing or you cannot flattening, or you cannot change the point of UVs. This is lock. The bottom of lock is in optimize. I don't know why there is, but you can lock all, clear, or for example, if you L and lock this, and you can swap this. You can swap the like between this like and others. And calculate subdivision target is for when you're loading subdivided models. And here overlap is very important. For example, I move some UVs like this, and of course we have lots of issues and problem here. For example, as you can see that UVs are overlapping each other. For these UVs, that there are a lot and we can't find them, you have to turn on the tool that is finding overlap for us. And of course, check the UV boundary. It checks the UV does not pass the UV tile. It's the error. It's the issue. You have to bring it back in the tile. Okay. If it is like this, you can find it very easy. Sometimes you are UV your model and forget check those issues. So with one click, overlap thinking, and as you can see, it's fine 39 overlap issues. For finding them, just click on this arrow. As you can see, it's fine. What is this? Oh, as you can see, it's passed through this tile border. Another pass, another pass, another pass, another pass. Oh, as you can see, so find this error. You have to control and click to correct the overlapping. What's this point here? And okay, that's correct. Okay, you can correct this overlapping by modifying that. Or we have an overlap here, of course. Okay, and you can correct them. Oh, as you can see, they are overlapping to each other. This UV and this UV. It's bad. You can move it a little, or it's this part is pass through the UV boundary, and we have an error here. As you can see, it's find all of error for you, this powerful tool, and you can turn off the errors if you want. Okay, this is optimize menu. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.